Seeing SOS only on your Optimum Mobile phone means it can only make emergency calls. This usually indicates a problem with your phone connecting to the Optimum Mobile network. The most common causes include issues with your SIM card, incorrect carrier settings, or a network problem. To troubleshoot, start by checking your SIM card. Make sure it's properly inserted, clean, and undamaged. If that doesn't work, try updating your carrier settings using the Optimum Mobile app, which now features AI-driven diagnostics to help resolve these issues automatically. As of 2025, many SOS-only issues stem from these simple causes and can often be resolved quickly at home. If these steps do not work, there may be a network issue in your area. Check the Optimum website or other third-party outage trackers to see if others in your area are experiencing the same issue. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try resetting your network preferences. Go to Settings, then General, and select Transfer or Reset Phone. Another step is toggling airplane mode. Turn it on for 30 seconds, then turn it off to force a reconnection to the network. A rising trend is using app-based fixes. Optimum Mobile's app now includes diagnostics to detect and resolve issues automatically. Looking ahead, eSIM adoption will likely minimize physical SIM problems. However, challenges like 5G interference may still increase SOS incidents. Experts recommend regularly updating carrier settings via the Optimum app to prevent many SOS issues. If problems persist, consider switching carriers. Note that customer serve wait times for Optimum can exceed 45 minutes.